Hi, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see what is the center of the reading for the extended Ten of Swords. You are hurt. Seven of Pentacles. Even though you are hurt, just still continue. Move forward, move on. Eight of Pentacles, 7, 8. Oh my God, 7, 8. After you had 7, 8, I think you want to be more successful, even though you are trying to counter this Ten of Swords. I mean, the feeling of loneliness, the feeling of betrayal, and you just like to be more focused with your work, with your ambition. And if you keep on focusing, Nine of Cups is here with the Knight of Wands. So it's very cute. It's very cute, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And you have the Three of Cups here. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, I really like this reading for you. Even though sometimes challenges is very overwhelming or overwhelmed because a challenge, you still pursue what you want to pursue, what you want to achieve with your ambition. And the universe is telling to you, keep on doing it. We have many offers to come. And don't be so in defensive mode, okay? Although meron ka ng mga trust issue with the person in the past, still make sure to it that those people who like to connect to you, make sure that you respond something good in return, okay? And the last thing also, advice is the Chariot card, traveling. Traveling, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you're traveling. That's nice. And the Seven of Wands, okay? It's not apologetic, but this is a genuine message. It's a genuine, original, kumbaga ba, totoong mensahe with the person who wants to be with you. And it's the Tower card. The person is now realizing your loss. And the Hangman. But you are not that much interested. But still the person will still pursue you. Person will still pursue you for that. Alright, that is a very cute reading and very nice reading, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.